I would love to start the video this way. Your belief is what's going to actually create your result. Your belief is actually what's going to create your result. So I'm going to tell you the reason I'm saying this. So for the XAU USD, that's the gold. For the XAU USD gold, I'm going to tag it here in this video. So I made a video on the XAU USD. On my entry, I made a video on the XAU USD. I'm telling you where I want to buy and where I want to sell. I post it on my group. I post it on my community page. So a community member now kind of like DM and send me some stuff, his views and his idea that he's buying, because I'm trying to sell gold. I was trying to sell gold, so he's telling me that he's buying and this is his point, this is how it is, this and every of that. So I was like, okay, this is cool, your point is right, your point, everything is cool, everything is good. But mine right now, I'm going on a sell because this is what my signal is giving me. This is what my strategist is giving me in the market. My edge is telling me right now that I should sell on gold. So I don't know the direction it might go, but following yours, I'm not telling him this, but I'm telling to myself. So I'm telling to myself that following yours right now, following this guy's own right now, might create a result that I will feel to take the blame on, like put back the blame on him and not take the responsibility. So I was like, okay, it's cool. I didn't take his trade, so I still go ahead in taking mine. He sent a lot of screenshots, his previous shots, how it went well and all of that. So I didn't take that advice. I stick to what I know. I stick to my plans. So I set the position, and something sad about that was the pending order didn't pick up. So I set the pending order and I still wait for my zone to tap in. So I left the chart, and guess what? My order didn't tap in. It didn't take my order, was just a pip away, some weeks it didn't tap in. I don't know why. So, and the trade runs to my take profit. The way I see it, that I usually take it, the same way I see it, I take it. It runs to my take profit ASAP. Why? Because that's what I trade, that's what I believe, that's my belief. So that's what creates and that's what shapes my results. So I would love to tell you, you have to be confident enough to your strategies. You have to be confident enough to whatever you are doing, just be confident to whatever you are doing on your charts. Just be confident, and confidence comes from the works you are putting, your backtest, your data you have about your strategies and your edge, how it works in the market, that to give you more confidence in the market. So that was what happened. So, and here in this video, here I just started that way. So I'm going to tag the analysis I made, just my entry. It was just my entry, what I saw before I want to enter. So I'm going to tag it to this video. So same on that XAU USD, I'm here to give you my views on what's going to happen, on what I'm expecting on the XAU USD based on my edge. So that's what I'm going to give you. I certainly don't know the outcome of the trade. I certainly don't know the outcome of the trade, but what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you what my edge is telling me and what I see in the market, the information I perceive from the market. That's what I'm going to show to you. So I'll show to you what I see on the XAU USD and what I'm expecting next on the XAU USD. So the XAU USD, that's gold, what I'm expecting on the gold, and this is what I'm here to show you in this video. So let's go and let me give you what I have on the gold XAU USD. So I have a gold setup. So this is a gold setup here, and I'm just waiting for the price to tap in this zone. I want it to come to this zone, this particular zone, then I will see it to sell off. So this is my first zone, and the reason for this first zone is because I'm using this particular zone to draw my fib. So it's giving me very close price, and there it has been used as liquidity right now, as we can see. So imagine I should sell there now. So I should sell here because it was pushing down. So I should sell here, and SL I'll put above here. You can see that it has taken me out already. So I'm waiting for the second zone. I didn't sell, I'm just giving this as an example. had it been I sold there, that's what could have happened. But this is my zone I'm waiting for. This zone right here. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the second zone. So I'm not using the first one. I'm not using this first zone. I'm using this particular zone, this second zone, you can see. So I'll be selling off there. And let's wait and see how it goes. So this is the full TP on the XAUUSD. That's the gold on the 15-minute time frame. You can see that. You can see this on the 15 minutes. You can see what we have here. So this is the end result on the XAUUSD analysis. So I showed you my entry points that I'll be entering from here. Though the price, it didn't pick me up. My order didn't pick me. That's cool. Regardless, that's fine. So what you are waiting for right now, this is what I'm here to show you in the video. So I'm going on. So this is the 4 hour on the XAUUSD, and this is where I want to begin to show you my analysis. So I'm going to clear off some of this already, and I'm going to show you what I'm expecting on the XAUUSD. So as we can see here, as you can see right from here, the price of the XAUUSD has been making series of higher highs and higher lows in the same trend, maybe in this same trend. Remember, this is a 4 hour time frame, so on this particular trend we can still get a sell. That's how it's working. On this particular trend we can still be having some sell, but the buys are more than the sells. So that is how it works. And on these sells also we can still be having some buys, because this is the 4 hour time frame. That is how it works here. So but for now, I want to show you my overall bias on this XAUUSD, and I'll be showing you what I'm expecting and what I'm looking forward to see. So I'm marking out my break of structures, all the zones I see my break of structure on the higher time frame. Remember, I'm on the 4 hour time frame, so I'll start from here. So I'll backtest once, then I'll know what I'm looking forward to see on the next. So this right here, I'm taking my fib from the break of structure here, from the break of structure to this low. So I'll call here now this should be my protected low. So, and I'm dragging it from my 61 and my 50 points. So I'll place a box there, a rectangle box. So whenever the price tap in there, what I'm going to do, I'll see a clear confirmation, then I'll get in on a buy. You understand what I'm saying? So I'll just have to wait to get this confirmation here, then I'll get in on a buy, and we can see the confirmation there. Then we buy to this new high. So this is on the 4 hour time frame. This is what we expect on the 4 hour time frame, and this is what we saw. So let's take that as the first trade, and I'll delete it off. So this is the second setup. Now I'm taking it also from that 4 hour particularly to here, this zone. So I can see the tap on the zone. So this is the zone right here, and now I'm waiting for a buy. So what I'm waiting for now is a buy, and if I should see a push, maybe to, I don't know, to some place, I'll see a retest. This is my buy point. On this retest, this is where I'm going to buy. So on the retest, I'm going to buy. Once I see the pullback, I want to see this pullback, then I'm buying from this pullback zone, bringing SL below. And this is on the 4 hour time frame, so I will not be buying on the 4 hour time frame. I will not be setting my stop loss using the 4 hour time frame. So this is what I'm expecting on the XAUUSD. That's gold. This is the next move I'm expecting. This is what I'm anticipating on the XAUUSD, and I don't know how it will go. That's just what I will still want to share with you. I don't know the direction it might go, but this is what I see, this is what I perceive from the information the market is giving out to me. So, and I come here also to share with you what I'm having here. So let's see how it goes. Once I see the entry on the lower time frame, and I'm going to go down to the lower time frame. Once I see the entry, I see the break and a clear, retest and all of that, then I'll come back to show you the entry, my entry, how it really goes. So it's going to pull. I'm going to wait for it to pull to this upside to break this zone. Then it's going to come back to give me a retest on some zone which I don't know yet, and I'll go in on a buy. So this is on the 1 hour time frame right now. So this is what I'm waiting for on the XAU USD. Let's see how it goes, guys, and stay tuned for more updates. Peace.